Introducing Seven Sisters. Spirits born in the South Downs, within sight of the magnificent Seven Sisters chalk cliffs. Our magic ingredient is grape spirit from the Rathfinny vineyard. A vineyard with a unique combination of geography, geology and climate that helps us produce the finest Sussex sparkling wine. The grape spirit used to produce our Seven Sisters gin and vermouth comes from the third pressing of our grapes, what the French call the Rebèche. Distilled in small batches and blended with grain spirit and 9 botanicals to create a classic London-style dry gin with distinctive yet subtle base notes from the grapes. The grape spirit is also used to fortify Rathfinny's Pinot Gris wine with added botanicals, including wormwood, to create an amazing British white dry vermouth. Seven Sisters gin and vermouth make the perfect Sussex martini. Seven Sisters gin served neat over ice with tonic, or the perfect partner for classic cocktails. Vermouth and tonic is the perfect summer drink. You'll find Seven Sisters in the best hotels and restaurants and specialist wine and spirit shops. Or you can always come and visit us here at the Rathfinny estate and be inspired by the same landscape that inspired us to create the perfect Seven Sisters spirits.